New tonight, Greensboro police are working to learn why a man broke into a Greensboro elementary school. Officers say 26-year-old Jonathan Coley is facing multiple charges, including breaking and entering and possessing a gun on educational property. Police say security camera footage from Irving Park Elementary School shows Coley entering the building back on Saturday, April 13th. Officers say he was armed with a long gun, but no one was injured. On April 16th, officers found Coley driving a rental vehicle. That's when they initiated a traffic stop and arrested him. Police say Coley appeared in court last week, where he was placed under a $25,000 bond. He's also banned from all Guilford County schools, along with any educational school property. He must also give up any firearms and ammunition when asked by police and undergo a mental evaluation before potential release.